Don't just reuse the factory thermostat housing in your 7.3 Powerstroke. Upgrade it with the XDP 7.3 liter Billet Thermostat Housing. Not only is the factory thermostat housing thin, it's also prone to leaks and corrosion. XDP's Billet Thermostat Housing features a billet aluminum construction, and the thicker flange eliminates the common leak points from the factory unit. The Billet Thermostat Housing features a black anodized coating to increase your underhood aesthetics and provide you with corrosion resistance. Each thermostat housing includes stainless steel mounting hardware and is ready for installation. To find out more, check out xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.